Subtracting integers. When you subtract integers, I feel the easiest way to do that is to change the minus sign to a plus sign and then take the opposite of the second number. Once you've rewritten the equation, then you can just go ahead and follow the rules for addition. So if you look here and you have 13 minus 20, we're going to change the plus sign and take the opposite of the second number. So we're going to add a plus sign, and the opposite of positive 20 is negative 20. So we've rewritten this, so now we can follow the rules of addition. We have 13 plus negative 20. When you have different signs, the integers have different signs, then subtract the numbers and use the sign of the bigger number. So we're going to take 20 minus 13 and get 7. And our larger number is negative, so we have negative 7. Over here, we're going to rewrite our equation. Negative 20 plus, and this was a positive 10, so we're going to make it a negative 10. So you have negative 20 plus negative 10. You have two of the same sign, so you add them together. 20 plus 10 is 30. And keep the sign, so it's negative 30. If I owe you $20 and I borrow 10 more, now I owe you $30. So in order to make subtracting integers easier, it's easier to change the subtraction to addition. Whatever the sign of the second number is, make it the opposite, and then follow your rules for adding integers.